Hello friends, welcome back to video number 2 of equivalent fractions. So in the previous video, we just finished talking about how 3/4 was in fact equal to 6/8 and 9/12 because they were all able to be multiplied, both the numerator and the denominator, by the same number to get those fractions. And the pictures verify it, right? So we're going to go ahead and practice. We have fraction 1, which is 2/3, and we want to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So we're going to do 2/3, and we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. And we're going to get 6. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So that is our equivalent fraction. And we're going to go ahead and check this by looking at a number line to begin with. So the first one, which was 2/3, we have over here. And then our second one, which was 6/9, we have over here. We're going to make this 6/9, right? And if we look, they are in fact even, okay? The only difference is that the 2/3 has bigger spaces between the hashes, and the 6/9 has smaller hashes between, right? Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and look at, we have a second fraction, which is 5/6, and we want to multiply it by 2. So we're going to do 5/6, and we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, right? And then we are going to get 10/12, because 5 times 2 equals 10, and 6 times 2 equals 12. So that is our equivalent fraction to 5/6. And we're going to go ahead and check with our circle fractions. So our first number, which was 5/6, we're going to use 6. So we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because we had 5 sixths. And then we had, 10/12. And so we're going to use the 1/12, and we're going to do 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if you look at the two different pie charts, they are in fact the same. All right, now we're going to go ahead and look at fraction number 3, which is 3/4. And we're going to multiply both, like you guys know by now, the numerator and the denominator both by 2. So we're going to multiply it 2/2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And then we want to do 4 times 2, which is going to equal 8. And this is our equivalent fraction. So 3/4 is equal to 6/8. They are equivalent fractions, right? So we're going to go ahead and check that with our fraction strips. So we're going to have a 1/4, a 2/4, and a 3/4. And we're going to match it up with 6/8. So we're going to have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and 6/8. And if we look at those two pictures, they are in fact the same. Awesome. So if we think about this in a way that we want to be able to use it in real life, how might we do this? Well, a fraction circle, what does that look like? It looks like a piece of pie or a piece of pizza. They look like different pieces of pizza. If you have a big party and you need a cut, maybe they have it cut into 1/6, and you have 12 different people. Maybe you need to cut it into 12s. So you need to learn and understand how to make all those pieces even, right? Well, this is what we're doing, okay? Or maybe say you have a tray of brownies and you need, rather than 1/4, maybe you have 8 guests and you need to have 8 different pieces, right? Okay, so that's why we use this type of method, okay? So now I'm finished with the lesson, right? And now I would like you guys to do this homework, this little assignment, and pretty much I want you guys to make a copy of it and then share it with me after you finish it up. And I have different multiple choice problems and different little matching problems, and then I want you guys to draw what these different fractions look like, and then at the end create your own fraction and your own picture of the fractions that are equivalent to one another. So that's all I have. Have a good one.